Do you get an install error like this on your Windows 11 whenever you try to update? Then you can follow these troubleshooting steps we have for you in this video. So firstly, you can pause and resume the update. You just have to open Settings, navigate to Windows Update, click Pause for a week, then select Resume Updates. Now another method you can try is to manually install the update. Do it by opening Settings, select Windows Update, choose Update History, click Failed Updates page, then go to this website, and then search for the update to download it. Now once downloaded, you have to run the downloaded file to run the installer and install the update manually. Lastly, restart Windows Update Services. Try it by searching Services, find Windows Update, right-click on it, then select Stop. After that, you have to right-click again, then select Start. So those are the simple ways on how you can update the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.